My name is Sugar, and it's like today it's really, I mean, it's mind-blowing to myself how different I feel than from when I arrived at Arkana, only 2 weeks ago. It's like this sense of just lightness and love and joy that's just within my heart, within my spirit. It's just, I can't even, words really can't explain how just open and blessed that I feel to have come to Arkana. I really do. And for, anyone who's considering working with plant medicine and, maybe you're a bit nervous and you have a little bit of hesitation. I mean, I did as well. So definitely, do your research and follow your heart. I would say what led me to Arkana was just the sense of safety, that I felt, from even just like the online searches that I did and reaching out. The staff was really great about it. I could email them anytime and with any question, and they got back to me. So I was really settled and at peace with it. And, when you think about what medicine is, and knowing that working with plant medicines, that they come from Mother Earth. They were put here in the universe for us. And so the ability to work with them and use them to heal, it's like nothing else. And I guess when I initially, sought out working with Ayahuasca, it was for physical healing. And I got so much more. In working with the plant medicines, with the ayahuasca, with the sapo, with the San Pedro, it was like each day and each step led me to realize that a lot of the physical ailments that I had were kind of brought on by emotional trauma that I hadn't even realized how much, hurt, anger, and pain I had been holding on to. And when I finally just trusted in the process, trusted in the shamans and the facilitators and staff, everyone, and just let go and just surrendered. And I just let all the hurt go and really allowed my heart chakra to open up and allow that love to come in. And it's like to rediscover love, not only, for my fellow beings, my family, like that, but really that self-love and being okay with that and not feeling that I was undeserving of it, and just knowing that I was truly loved. That, yeah, there's nothing greater. There's nothing greater. So, I mean, if you're considering working with plant medicines, definitely do your research. But I promise you, when you really open up your heart and open up your mind and give into that trust and give into the call, I couldn't recommend Arkana anymore. It's like that's definitely the place you want to be. And I spend time in the Amazon jungle, and I spend time here in the Sacred Valley, and definitely recommend do both, because there are definitely different experiences, different just like the environment, the atmosphere. Here in the Sacred Valley, you're amongst the mountains, and it's just like this lightness, in the air. So in the space, is really great to just like really give you that opportunity to be one with yourself and with nature. And then in the jungle, I mean, it's the Amazon jungle. You know, you can't miss an opportunity to be there. And, you know, the line of Shipibo shamans that they work with here at Arkana, from Maestro Jacina all the way down to, you know, her sons and her ancestors, it's just, it's just a really great space to work with the plant medicines. You'll definitely get more than what you initially came for.